I don't see any. Matter of fact, this is the 44 and 35, or 44 bridge over the river. It ran right up through here, it looks like.
Yeah, you're more than welcome to stay there if you need.
I'm going to put it out the left door. Okay. I'll start slowing back.
Okay. 1.5 baths in the house, so totally open.
I'll say that. I might be living.
I started about a mile to 2 miles behind us. Hey, Chris, keep an eye on that back there.
You want to make it to your house, or you staying in a hotel?
No, they're going to Durant today, so they'll be out here.
Yeah, what about you?
I don't know. I'll probably stay at the house tomorrow just to make sure nothing happens. And Thursday I'm going down as well.
I'm sure glad they're having a conversation.
Yeah.
Yeah, lighting over there. Yeah, that's way to the west, though. Way off. These power lines are still lifting up. These big ones here, at least. Want to head toward the Home Depot when you see us down here.
Project 7103 departure radar contact, line maintain 15,000, turn left heading 280.
Any aircraft operating inside the TFR at Lunar
76 helicopter 420. I'm above the TFR at 4,000.
And Lunar 76, I've got you inside, sir. We're operating, we'll be 2,000 and below inside the TFR.
Roger that. Stay out of your way, Tom.
Appreciate it, sir.
Leonard, I don't think there's any other aircraft there. I think Air 150 helicopter has landed, and I think the Oklahoma Highway Patrol has landed back in West Hammer as well.
76, appreciate that. And Deuce 4, 76, talking to your guys back home with radar on this storm behind us.
Yeah,
Like
Vernon,
71
it's,
unable,
it's
proceed
down
direct
right
over.
now over kind of just north of Falls Valley. You're going to get hit with some light rain for about the next 20 miles, and after that it's thunderstorms. There's been some lightning, probably 10 or 15 miles south of here.
Roger, if you'll keep us informed and keep the uniform, I'd appreciate it.
Will do.
Thanks, bud. Oh, John. Yeah, right there is the biggest.
Flight 670, city departure radar contact, line maintain 15,000, turn left heading 280.
You got the 3 towers off 11 o'clock. Yeah, oh, pull your head inside. My head's inside. Roger. My box is off. Roger. I think this is the Home Depot over here at 1 o'clock. Roger.
Sky 5 traffic is stationary 4 miles east of your position, descending out of 5,500 for Wiley Post.
And we want everyone to film the Home Depot, correct? Yes, I believe that's where our folks are based out of.
You can,
All right, we're going to do a circle around the Home Depot. It's coming out the left door. Roger.
Project 7103.
How you doing?
0, stay on course heading to west.
Let's turn down number 2 for you so you can communicate with her. And say again.
I was asking Major Liquid how he's doing.
Okay.
Flight deck 701A will proceed direct Charlie Delta Sierra.
Well, the Chick-fil-A still looks good. The what? Chick-fil-A, my favorite restaurant.
Flight deck 70 approved.
Hey, Mug. Yes, sir. Mug. Look at all these mobile homes. Not one of them is destroyed. Wow, that's awesome.
Right in front of you is the addition that we need to get south of too. That's where our soldiers are.
Okay, so out there starting. What's over this addition? I would probably.
Can you guys see where the CFT is? The blue truck? Right there? Yeah, stop the hover right here for a second, please.
And the 336 Alpha Papa Oak City departure radar contact your request. And the 336 Alpha Papa.
Just to the left. Just to the left. Look at that. We got an American flag in front of the house at 12 o'clock. Just past the pond. Just past the pond, look at the west side of the pond. Yep, I got it. Let's take off right back here. Start it and continue. We'll do a loop around this little neighborhood that we're working. Our guys are working. Okay.
8.4.
You can either turn inside or outside those antennas, whichever you prefer. You want this? I'll probably turn inside. You want this neighborhood out our left door, correct, ma'am? Yes, sir. Okay. I'm gonna go over the highway and I'll come back. Okay.
We just shot to that Warren Theater right there too.
Okay, we'll extend it out a little bit.
Flight deck 70, contact Fort Worth Center, 128.4.
Clear left when you're ready. You've got a little cell phone antenna. Should be a factor. Sally. Come around left. Go left.
And the 336 Alpha Papa, turn right.
You got that little cell phone?
Yep, going around it.
Roger.
That won't go on the inside of those antennas you're talking about.
Yep.
They're over there at 511.
Clear the tower. Roger.
Take time until you guys fly to them.
Currently, we're flying DAO to FEMA recon. We're picking up FEMA. We need to come back up, and we'll be flying them over this area as well as Shawnee and Carney, all the FEMA folks.
Okay.
Oh, the tower's here at 1 o'clock. Keep it clear.
So, like Dom, Coverdale Road, there's a dirt road that dead ends right there. That's pretty much the track that starts from there. It goes to Kearney, from Edmond to Kearney. And then if you go just south of Fire Lake Grand Casino there, south of I-40 and Highway 102, there's that
Clear
trailer
76,
park.
your base
right
off
there
wants
by
to pass along a message that your mission has changed and you need to be on the ground by 9:45 local time.
Roger, I understand we need to be on the ground at 9:45. Thanks, ma'am. Appreciate that. The backup was John. Fire Lake Casino 102 is where it started over at Carney.
Yeah, Fire Lake Casino, just down the 102, that's the hardest hit area there at Shawnee.
Clear
You go up
121 Juliet, Oak City to
Dobbs Road,
the center maintain.
Sorghum Fields or Concrete Creek, West Road. From there and go straight to Kearney. That's where it's going to be, your Kearney track from Saturday.
We've got to be on the ground at 9:45, so we can, we've got about,
We're
no,
good.
yeah, no more than 10 more minutes in this area to be back on the ground. Ma'am.
Gotcha.
And just let me know when you want to head back in the other direction.
010. Southwest 997, Oak City approach. Roger. Contact 801, Oak City approach. Expect visual approach, runway 35 left. Contact 801, expect visual approach, runway 35 right. Stand 336 off.
What other direction would you like to head, ma'am? Or you want to circle that area again?
Let's go ahead and make another circle, please.
Roger. Clear on the rest of the left.
All right.
Clear left.
This is 16 Oak City approach, Oak City altimeter 2 down
We're not disrupting anybody down there, are we, guys?
I haven't noticed anything.
Okay.
No, I think we're high enough.
Okay.
And in the 6 Alpha Papa, turn left heading 080.
Big lightning flash about 50 miles for 9 o'clock.
Yeah, it's definitely coming in.
Yeah.
About 2 miles south of us now.
We get anything here, we're heading north.
Yep. There's some more folks out there.
Yeah.
And chopper towards the desk on tail, too.
Southwest 997, trying to maintain 4,000.
And chopper.
Cruiser 16, approved, report back up. And the 336 Alpha Papa, 5 miles final approach 6, turn left heading 060. Maintain 3,000 till establishing the final approach course. Cleared VOR Alpha.
That's right here. Head back to the antenna farm. Your cell is pretty much just northeast of Chickasha with some heavy stuff.
Clear
And we got some light
1221
just north of
Juliet.
home.
Turn left heading
Roger, appreciate that. So we're going to be here for another 5 minutes.
heading 200.
We'll
We're just going to maintain
Thanks for the update.
4,000.
Good talking to you.
Nancy 6 Alpha Papa, maintain presence speed or greater to the final approach fix. Faster traffic follow you. Mark 6801, fly heading 070, vector final approach course. Helicopter 4TV, Roger, Oak City altimeter 2984. Southwest 997, turn left heading 180. Bonanza 336 Alpha Papa, contact Wiley Post Tower 126.9er. Brazil 16, Roger, contact Fort Center 128.4.
Yeah, I got the cell phone that's into there at your 11 still.
Kelly.
That's the Warren Theater right there.
Clear 1221 Juliet, turn left heading 150.
I think it's probably going to be our last pass right there, Sony.
Yeah.
That's good, we're good.
All right.
Yeah, it's about a quarter mile south of us right now.
All right, we'll head back toward Rogers. Your 2 pins up.
997, Will Rogers, 9 to 10 o'clock, 4 miles. South 997, clear visual approach runway 35 left, contact Rogers Tower, 119.35.
Through the tower. Roger, thank you.
Okay.
Take it left, go straight west for me real quick. Excuse me, Oak City approach, letter 7.
Clear 76 Oak City.
And we're between over the TFR, we'll be exiting the TFR en route for Will Rogers backside Carter Range.
Clear 76, Roger. Wind at Will Rogers, 01011, altimeter 2987.
2987, letter 76.
Just get a little altitude here so you get bigger over
Roger, center maintain 4,000. Clear 76, contact Rogers Tower, 119.35.
76 will go. Tower, letter 76. Rogers Tower, letter 76.
Clear 76, Rogers Tower. Can proceed inbound, remain east of runway 35 left final. There's traffic 3 southwest of the airport at 737 turning on the left base.
East of 35 left, we have traffic inside, turning inbound.
Flagship 3297 turning 010, contact departure.
Right, 010 departure, see flagship 32.
Army Ops, letter 76 on fast.
176, you can proceed inbound towards midfield, and I'll let you know if I get you across in front of the 7th figure or not.
76 will go.
Yeah, I think we're going to make it.
Well, I don't know. I'm not going to scream in there with the doors open, so we'll probably have to hold. He's turning base now.
Yep. Army Ops, letter 76. Back to be close.
Yeah.
Lock releases, do you guys set the back?
Right up the gear.